Potato dumplings are a delicious comfort food made from mashed potato and flour. So let's make a simple potato dumpling recipe. Peel and chop potato into chunks. Boil in salted water for about 20 minutes until it becomes tender. When it's properly cooked, drain and mash the potato until it's smooth and allow to cool off. Then add corn flour and knead gently into a soft non-sticky dough. Make small round balls and give it shape with a bottle. Next, bring a pot of salted water to a simmer. Then gently place the dumplings in the water and cook until they float. Immediately transfer them into ice-cold water to shock the cooking process. For the sauce, add chopped spring onion, ground chili powder, soy sauce, and some hot oil. Mix the sauce and potato dumplings and toss them nicely in the sauce. Garnish with some more spring onion and it's ready to serve.